Lord, thank you, Lord, for the birds. The Texas bird, the Texas robin. There he is. Let's see if he'll fly. He's right there. He's about to go. Oh, there he is.